I was like, I feel like she wants to hit that. And then I just stopped watching. So, yeah, good times. Hurry up, coffee.
Coming to open right around the pre-market high on SPY here. Hopefully my sell hits on my SPY's calls that I swung.
Yeah, good luck. I'm just going to ignore the market and get this coffee going. All right.
Which broker do you have that lets you put in the sells before the bell?
Oh, me? I have Robinhood.
I'm on
Whew,
E-Trade.
good damn.
E-Trade? Okay,
Yeah, I'm on E-Trade.
that's cool. I can't stand how it's like, you have to wait for the bell to put it. It's like, what?
No, yeah. And I'll layer mine. Because I have 10 contracts on this little swing I had. So I have 3 sells at like a buck 25. I have 3 at a buck 40, and then I have the rest at a buck 60.
Let's go, IWM. Okay, did she sell me?
Oh, shit.
I just tried. So I don't know if it worked. Let me go to my Discord too. I gotta say hi to them. Hold on.
Milky, don't you guys have like 15 minutes delay before you can market sell
No.
on
Well, oh
Robinhood?
yeah, sorry.
No?
No, market sell, yeah. No, I just tried to sell it like literally with my hands.
Oh, to market sell too. I thought it was just market buy.
No, to market sell it's 15 minutes. No, but I just literally typed it all in. I don't think it.
Yeah, fuck Robinhood.
What the hell is my stand? Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna try and keep you guys from having to listen to my stomach.
All right, we are open.
Okay, market is open. I mean, IWM is pulling. She actually rejected off of my bullish channel.
AMD is
Am I rich?
flying.
Am I rich? What's flying?
AMD.
Fuck! I think I got stopped out of my AMD calls yesterday. Hold on, let me look. I did. Fuck. I called him. I might play this SPY flush here. I called him to the chat too. Yeah.
SPY needs over 664.50 for any possible calls.
Wow. Hey guys, those 165 AMD calls, if you guys didn't get stopped out of them yesterday, I know it took a big hit. They just hit $3. We had those at, I think, like $2 a contract. So hopefully you guys were able to make a little bit of money on that. Damn. Okay. Good morning. I woke up with a massive toothache. Okay. With a massive what? Toothache. Oh, stop it. Did you really? I'm dead serious. I've never had toothache in my life. I'm so sorry.
CRM, a little strength here.
SPY right back down. I have 232.64 Tesla. Under that, I'm not touching it. Let's see. AMD is over my 163 so far. I don't like to just jump in right away, but it's definitely over that 163. Tesla's over 430. IWM getting over this pre-market high area. That 24434 I see on IWM. Q's under pre-market low, filling the overnight gap. So we got divergence between the indices. Tesla's right at my entry spot, 232, 230. I'm sorry, 432. As long as it can hold this, you're good. Let this settle and see what's up.
Yeah, right this moment, I'm in a rush to jump into anything.
Yeah, same here. Tesla holds at 432. It's golden.
I'm not gonna lie though, bull is looking nice.
Yeah, that macro pattern has been great. I think it broke out yesterday, the day before.
Yeah, that flush we got yesterday was right down to the 0.5 and then bounced right back up. Now we're over the 0.25. So I think if we can get a solid close over 1450 today, I might take some monthlies on that.
Tesla, beautiful. IWM rejecting. Q's trying to dip rip.
I was thinking about averaging into my IWM 244s. I have them at 64. That's basically right where they're at. But if she holds VWAP, I'll probably just stop out of those and then retake the position if she winds up rejecting. This sell has doesn't have a ton of volume going into it, so I'm not super excited about the sell off yet. I'm looking at Qs, the nasty sell off on Qs and the nasty sell off on SPY, but IWM is just lagging.
Yeah.
SPY could fill the gap, but she also could just decide that she wants to hold at this exact same support level from earlier, which is the 664, almost 664 exactly. She held that area at like 650 in the morning, but she looks like she's pulling through it right now. Okay, so guys, IWM, I do have a 64 average on the 244s, but again, they're holding right now, so I'll let you know when I stop out of these if I do. Not moving like SPY or Qs.
Half a position in the 664 puts.
Copy.
Yeah, Q's getting that overnight close. The after hours close, I guess I should call it. So see what happens. See if we wedge out or keep falling from yesterday. Obviously, we flushed.
I think maybe Qs wants to hit that 598 level if it's going to see a double bottom bounce, like basically just wipe out everything it grabbed, all its gains from
Yeah.
earlier. That's what it kind of looks like to me.
JD's pushing pretty hard here. Overnight gap up, and now it's pushing. Plenty of time in the day, though.
So much time. We're 8 minutes in, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey,
Good morning.
Hola. How you guys doing?
so terrible. I'm just kidding.
No.
CRM pushing here up to 248.
For everybody listening that's not in the Discord, we already played a 65% Tesla play.
You animal.
It was so awesome. Thanks, Emma.
You got some, Justin?
Hell yes, I got some.
Yeah, I alerted that shit.
Thank goodness.
I was
Yeah.
watching it. I was watching it too.
Well, that was my watch list this morning too, the break of 4:30, and we instant jumped in.
Yep. Right over pre-market high.
So that triple D $3 call I posted yesterday in Discord, they spiked up to 313 this morning. So I trimmed off part of my position there when it spiked up. Trimmed half the position at like 50%, and then it pulled back, but that's okay.
JD's still pumping.
I'm trimming a little of our January Palantir. Everybody listening that is in the Discord, I will post it in my channel as well. I might not talk. I'll be here, but I might be muted a little bit this morning. Not feeling great, and then I have that stream today, so I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's gonna be good.
Yeah,
Oh
it
yeah,
should be.
I'll join too if I'm up to it.
That
Also,
one's tomorrow.
oh,
It's
that's
at
tomorrow.
12:30 Eastern, 11:30 Central.
Okay.
Yeah, you are totally invited. No pressure.
Okay.
If you want to come check it out, awesome. If not, I totally understand.
Okay.
We do a lot in the day. I know.
Milky, what's your baby girl doing today?
I don't know. He was up last night at like 3 and 4 all over the internet. So.
Oh wow.
I wasn't talking about Zach. I was actually talking about IWM, but now that we know
what's IWM doing today? Sorry. My bad.
Well,
okay.
Wrong baby. Wrong baby.
My bad. Okay, so I'm
That's
in the
awesome.
puts because I swung them and I averaged into them, hoping that we could possibly see the potential pull down. I'm not in with size. So unless we actually pull through this pre-market low level, I don't like the trade. So I'm not telling anyone else to take the trade.
My dear, you're 3 minutes above the 10 EMA and VWAP. Unless you can get below 244, unless you get below 244 and hold, I think you're gonna go. I think it's gonna try for 245.
All I really wanted was the pull down to my 240, 342 level. That's all I wanted. Like not even like a big pull down, just like a little one.
Possible second chance here on Tesla, guys. Let's see if it bounces off VWAP here with any authority.
Yeah.
I want the SPY to stay weak. If we really want Tesla to rip today, we want the SPY weak, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Because all the money will flow into Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
Boeing got the gap fill, and now we're pushing back towards 218.
Oh baby, I love me some. I will always own Boeing shares, always, and forever.
Boeing.
Yeah.
I love Boeing. I don't care. I know a lot of people hate it. I love it.
I have 215.89 on Boeing that we just ripped off of.
Yeah, it's looking solid here. I'm trying to hammer off of that big volume sell support.
Our piece of shit NVIDIA October calls are down 18%. That's pissing me off.
It's all right. I got stopped out of my AMD 165 calls yesterday, and then they ripped to $3 today. So
just a bad timing. I'm just disappointed in myself on that. UNH is ripping again. We're up 160% on our October, 100% on our January, 80% on our June 2026s.
I have the UNH 500s for March of next year, and I'm up 118%.
Hell yes. Don't sell them, girl. Hold on to that shit. That's one of those that can really, give you 2,000, 3,000%.
Yeah, this is nutty.
Yeah, don't sell that shit.
Nope.
Not financial advice, but
no,
don't sell that
definitely
shit.
not. We would never. We would never give that.
We would never. It's for entertainment purposes only. Everybody, remember that.
Exactly.
Trying to perk above.
That's why we sit here and laugh at each other. This is entertainment purposes.
Yep.
Exactly.
AI still looks
like going in a Mexican restaurant that's full of Chinese people. You know they do that for our entertainment.
Oh God. just be very careful if Shirbain gets on this stream. We're all gonna get canceled, KT.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, if I haven't gotten canceled already, no one's gonna get canceled.
Holy shit! Intel is blasting.
Wait,
right
I have
now.
that one too.
I love it.
Stop it.
Yes.
Let me see. I have
yes.
INTC 31 calls.
Yep. They're not up as much as they were last week, but they're going to break that 32.30. It's setting up to just absolutely rip.
I'm like, cool.
So they will rebound.
Let's
AI
go,
looks fantastic.
IWM. All right, guys, we're up $14 a contract on that IWM. I'm gonna trim.
Nice.
It's not what I want. I wanted pre-market low, like fully, and then the potential, but I'm a little not comfortable with this trade right now. So if it rejects, then I'll add to it again. But right now, I'm going to take some leverage off to anybody else who's in these with me.
You guys just talking about Intel. The best thing I saw this morning, people are like, oh, if you invested 10K 25 years ago, well, if you did 10K in Intel 25 years ago, you'd have 10,550 bucks.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crazy.
yeah. I mean, but you could say the same thing for Tesla. 6 months ago, you could say
Yeah,
Tesla
exactly.
the same price as 2020. It's just Intel is a shit company, but they're trying. They switched out management. They got Trump backing them now. Like they're switching in ways they need to. They have the infrastructure. They're just, and I use the comparison to Snapchat. Horrendous leadership. Snapchat should be like on top. Every young person uses it exclusively for all communication, and they are just dropping the bag. It's so disappointing. That's what I would assimilate it to. Honest to God, just bad
Yeah, 100%.
leadership.
100%.
Yep.
Let's go. Come on, baby girl.
So you want the IWM drop?
I fucking want the drop. Like
Yeah.
I'm in a swing. I'm in the call swing for the 300s for the end of the year. So I'm like, I'm always kind of hedged anyway.
Yeah.
But same days, like when I see risk to reward wise, I'm like, hey, like yesterday we did 900% on the puts. So we actually had 3 positions in it. We had 900%, 700%, and 600% because we laddered. It was gorgeous. This is beautiful, guys. We're rich. You're up over 35% here.
We're in the money. We're in the
Woo!
money.
Come on, this was target pre-market low. I obviously like to snap through there, but please make sure you're, taking some off or at least moving your stops up.
Yeah. J-Pal with a gift yesterday.
Oh, it was so good. He actually like scared us a little, and I was like, "But we're not breaking VWAP." And I'm like, "I just feel like we're gonna." And
Yeah.
then we did. It was beautiful.
Nvidia couldn't get over pre-market high. Usually that's bearish. I have 17969 above. That was rejected. Under 17850 on Nvidia. I think you're going to get that 178 and test yesterday's lows.
Yeah, I had swung some 180 calls that when it opened up right at 180, I sold most of it, and I was holding a couple, hoping that we'd get a pushback above that 179.60 and hold, and it didn't. It started rejecting, so I just sold the rest.
Nice.
As of now, I still have my 10 January Intel $35 calls. They're actually finally back to break even today. The triple D 3D printing, and I have one 440 Tesla left.
Beautiful.
And here comes the drop for Milky and her IWM.
I'm not gonna lie, it's a boring ass morning.
Not
How
yet,
is Hood still green every single day? I
because I'm
can't
in it.
even wrap my head around
It's
it.
been
Because I'm in it.
17 minutes.
It's losing pre-market low here, Milky.
Oh, I
There's
know.
243. You're watching it now, aren't
I'm
you?
up 40%, babe. I'm happy.
Well, okay, good.
I had literally the 244s at like $100. So
I
I think
have a
we're
very
Hey, Justin,
yes,
averages.
dear.
I'm so damn mad that I didn't just buy Marvel the second I said, shit, I should have bought Marvel yesterday. Ugh. It's making me sick at this point. I gotta stop looking at it. It's doing exactly what we talked about.
I know. I was actually watching it yesterday at market close, thinking, I wonder if I
Yeah.
grab some next week's and swing them.
Yep.
And I
For
didn't.
everybody that was wondering why I never mentioned that stock, I've never alerted that was the great setup. It was Marvel, and Justin mentioned it on a
Yeah.
stream. I said that was my secret setup I was waiting for, and then we missed it. That's why it was never
Thing
alerted.
is,
For everybody wondering.
Amy, I don't think we've fully missed it yet. I
don't either, but I want some pullback before I jump in. So it is what it is.
I'm afraid
it's got a lot of room.
We had that pullback a little bit yesterday.
That don't count for me. That's consolidation. That's not pullback.
Did any of you guys take these IWMs with me, or am I the only asshole up 55%?
You're the only asshole up 55%.
Okay.
I was
he was
watching
going. Spy's going.
Woo! 71%. Let's go. Go chat.
Girl power.
Girl power. It's just IWM. This is the only stock I read this well.
All you need is one.
Yeah,
you know how many people I know that are multimillionaires that play like 3 total tickers their entire life? My mentor, his whole watch list was 6 tickers.
Yep.
Tesla's still flagging.
Yeah, I'm holding on to it. I've got my Tesla still. Well, 5 out of 25.
AMD lost it. Nvidia's losing it. Nvidia's losing that level.
85%. Let's go.
Right now. Spy hitting pre-market low here.
Good job, Ty.
Arsenic, someone said that right triangle on LTBR is getting a retest.
Yeah, that's a commons. That's a commons play though. I'm looking at it now, but that's a commons shares play. I was this guy had me look at in the chat. It's not really there's no volume on the options for it at all.
Gotcha.
I can tell you guys that I'm opening a BILI swing position. This is an exclusive Discord trade. I'm opening a Billy swing position today. It's up 2.5% on the day, so I'm waiting. It's time. This thing is ready to prime. Put on the weekly and look at all the room it's got. And I love the company. It's at 26, all-time highs 157. Looks exactly like Palantir did in October 2023. Tell me it doesn't.
Getting continuation of the weakness on the indices.
100%. Let's go, baby. Good job, everybody.
100%.
We're killing it. We took these at 56 a con. They hit 106 a con.
If you got NVIDIA, please trim right now. We got my 178 right now, and we're flushing under it.
Spy going back to 66230.
Okay. Let's go, baby.
Like I said, I want to see SPY week for Tesla to push up to 450 today.
Yeah,
I said at 450.
100%.
I have 436 trigger for Tesla to get back in.
64 puts are running. Guys, we took these at 56. They're now sitting at, wait for it, $119 a contract. Good job, Trim. I have 20 cons left. 110% here. Woo-hoo-hoo, let's go. Just at $2 a contract on the 664 puts, guys. Good job, Ty. No one had faith in these. Oh, my alarm keeps going off. Sorry. Okay, I trimmed there at 119 or 115 a con, so I have 10 cons left. To anyone still in this trade with me.
Hey, Amy.
Yo.
Check out Mondelez. MDLZ.
There's 2 new high day on Tesla, baby. Let's go. What was the ticker name? MDLZ?
Yeah.
Moldy cheese. That's what that sounds like. MDLZ, moldy cheese.
It is. It's moldy cheese. Look at like the wick off in the 1 hour.
That daily is nice. Ooh, and it's above those lows of like 63 from back in April.
I think I'm gonna take like a 65 call.
Ooh,
a couple
NVIDIA.
Of them for
a
few weeks out.
That's a major pivot point. It's breaking right here. This is the only line you need on the whole chart. Everybody in the chat here, this is what I'm looking at. This is all that matters on the entire chart.
What's the ticker? Line. Sorry, babe.
The next
MDLZ.
MDLV.
The next target on NVIDIA is previous day low.
Get out.
Z as in zebra, not B.
Oh, MZLV.
Anyone still in chat?
No.
God damn it. MDLZ.
Z. Yes, ma'am.
There we go.
Major dick looking zebra.
Wow.
We go. I like it.
That's great. 380 on our Tesla 450s from 210 entry.
Trim and video.
Yeah, I've only got one left, but
IWM catching support on yesterday's low a day spot.
What did I say my target was? 243.42. I was like, that's all I want. And then she did it.
Yup.
She loves me. She loves me so much. Oh, thanks, my little sweet angel.
See if she could bear flag here for you, or if
Dude, I'm all
that's
for it.
gonna sweep the lows, or what the next move is.
Yeah. I'm gonna see.
okay. So I just bought 5 11/21 $65 calls of MDLZ for a swing.
Careful. Okay, that spread. Be careful, guy.
Yeah,
There is
Yeah, there is
no,
some spread there.
and there's like no volume on these, so please be careful. You're 5. There's only 6 sold on the day. So you're 5, and then one other contract sold on the day. That's it.
that's from his other account.
It's probably gonna be tough to get a sell, Justin. Be careful.
That's from his other account.
KO right now has a nice ascending triangle. I'm watching it.
Did you say
Might be a good call
triangle?
setup with SPY dumping.
Yeah, KO moved.
Is that who I
yesterday.
think it is talking?
What?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
What up?
Come on, Tesla, get that 439, that Amy level.
You know it's real when E-Trade enters.
It's getting real.
Must mean he made his 100K for the day already.
No.
Runners only right now.
Ruh-roh.
I just added some SPY here off this pre-market low and 9 EMA on the 1 minute retest. But yeah, if we get above pre-market low, I'll cut it. If we don't, I think we're just going to bear flag down here.
Come on, Tesla.
Yeah, I was looking at retaking the 243s
We need yesterday's high on Tesla.
on IWM.
That's Amy's next level that she posted.
It is. Did we hit my target 2 yet?
I know.
I don't even know. I gotta look what my targets were.
I keep having to scroll up to it.
I know. I don't even have it saved. Isn't that terrible? 437 was target 2.
So, guys, E-Trades is in.
Yeah, it hit those.
SPY calls, in case you didn't hear.
Puts.
No puts.
Oh, I
He's
thought
on
you
puts.
said calls. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I have put runners, and then I just added a small added to them just because it's the second move.
Yeah. My fault. Trying to get that bear flag under pre-market low. That first candle of the overnight. Yeah. Almost Amy. Almost to Amy's. Oh, it's not in her channel.
Oh, we hit target 2 already. We're going to target 3, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, that fast too. You know it's coming when it's you know. So we have 439.52, and then the high's the 445.
We got that new home sales in 3 minutes.
210 to 407. Pretty much 90% on Tesla here.
Woo.
Wow.
There we go.
Great 3-bar on Tesla.
Hey, Emma, I put a message in the Discord. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm just curious on that.
I will read it in a few minutes. I'm doing this Tesla play. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, I would love for these 243s to work out too. Because we just took the 244s for over 115% or 118%, something like that. There's no volume. That's the problem.
Yeah, I might trigger these bull monthlies today.
See if we can get that 440. I have 446.42 is like my dream target for Tesla.
1460.
Let me see. Die, bitch. Oh yeah,
I haven't even looked any. I haven't even looked at it, Arsenic.
Oh, okay.
I need to see her push through this level, but she's got no volume.
Do we have any news?
There's news at 10, so there's news in 2 minutes.
New home sales, oh shit, 1 minute. Okay, I'm up 10% on these. I'm probably gonna sell and get the fuck out of here. Yeah, in about 50 seconds, 50 seconds.
Yeah, some newsy coming.
It didn't fill me. Oh, it didn't fill me.
Oh no, Dowie.
I'm down to 3 Teslas. I had 25 initially. FYI, guys.
30 seconds on the news.
So we just free roll on these.
No, okay, I'm taking an IWM call next, I guess, huh?
You're taking a call?
A play. Sorry.
Oh.
I didn't get in with you because I was playing that flash on spot.
Well, yeah, you're too busy making money on SPY. I still have 10 contracts of the 244s, but I have a stop set on them, guys. We're still up 31%. Don't let your runners ruin your position, please.
Yep, don't, like you say, don't round trip it.
Yeah, I see what you're looking at right here, E-Trade.
New home sales was good. It was actually
Kind of bear flagging in the pre-market low a little bit.
Oh, new home sales was good. Okay.
very
Who
good.
is buying a house right now?
It beat by 150,000.
Right? It beat by 150,000? My gosh.
I'm sure that's accurate.
Yeah, I bet.
Now we see if good is good or good is bad.
All right.
We could run SPY back up to 664.15. I'm just waiting on confirmation. What the hell's going on with Robinhood?
My Robinhood's working.
All right, guys.
They just won't let me do anything.
Give me something good. I'm so greedy. The fact that I just did like over 115% is not enough. I'm like, give me another one.
Well, I
We're
mean, you're
ridiculous.
good at all day long, you know. So I totally understand you being like, I'm gonna lose money if I step away.
That's very true.
Oh, yeah. What's going on?
Very true.
Engulfing on SPY 3 minute to the downside.
Mm.
It's
I
still
just want
inside
to
bar though.
No,
reiterate to everybody that is been in this X spaces before or is in Discord. I still love the AI swing. I still love it. It's just now getting into the gap fill, and our gap fill is up to 22, and we're at 18. That's like 30%, guys.
Okay.
Still looks great, even though we're up pretty big.
Yes.
That's my baby.
Tesla's still inside bar here.
All right, guys, here goes KO that I called out earlier.
hey,
Nice.
KT.
Yeah.
Emma, what you got that? Oh,
The SPY 3 minute is actually an inside. Oh, it just went to 2 down. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah. I said it was engulfing.
No, it wasn't quite engulfing.
No. Oh, not yet. Okay.
No, it wasn't. No, it didn't break the high of the previous candle.
Okay.
But now we're headed for 662. I think we get 662 here today.
Nvidia swept the after hours low and almost yesterday's low. Went right back up after that target was hit. Beautiful. Yeah, KO
Emma,
looks
you got
good.
that gap at what? Like 1950? The midpoint?
Let me check on my trading view chart.
KO over that opening print looks really good.
1956. I could be
Okay.
off a little bit, but yeah, around 1950.
Cool. Same.
So that would be like my next trim point.
IWM is curling higher than the other two right now.
It just got to get over this 1870 level.
Do you see
Yeah, yesterday's highs.
how low this volume is, though, KT? It's
Yeah.
like moving up off
Mm-hmm.
of like nothing.
Yep. That's why the candle bodies are very little on the 3 minute anyway.
Yeah.
Which might mean that the bears are repositioning to bring it down further.
which
We'll
I would
see,
be
though.
okay with.
Nvidia higher.
We shall
Juice.
see.
Yeah.
Coke higher. Tesla
I need
looks like it
Nvidia
wants
to.
higher too.
I need Nvidia to pull its head out of its ass. I have a swing.
Meta dip rip. Amazon dip rip.
I just got stopped on SPY. I'm out.
Yeah, now we engulfed up. So Christmas lights here.
So let me guess. Tesla's going to start getting weak. Watch, guys. Be careful with your Tesla here.
IWM looking better. The candle bodies, even though the volume is not what you want to see.
Yeah.
Baba 10%. I hate Baba. I need to delete it from my watch list for the rest of existence. Because I should have made $1 million on that stock the way I was all over it with the wrong timing. So damn frustrated. Because there's no chance I would have closed my entire position. You guys know, like this thing uptrended the whole time. I would have just been trimming and just riding the wave. Ugh, makes me sick to my stomach.
See if Tesla can do the same thing as earlier, kind of pull back and then push up.
On 663 calls to 664.50.
If SPY starts really popping, I don't have a lot of faith in Tesla anymore.
Right.
Kind of wanted to see it like, the Lone Ranger, so all the volume went there.
Yeah. It's kind of...
I averaging, guys, slowly.
Oh, SPY gave you a Milky setup.
Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
Hold on, I gotta... Yeah, she did.
I went.
Hold on, I gotta... Hurry up, Alexandra, you shit.
Oh, you freaking would SPY.
Yeah, stop me out of puts too. I had stop set at VWAP and it went right up and hit it.
But we're still kind of above pre-market low right now. So until we get below that,
she gave me the...
Yeah, it's rejecting the after hours close on SPY, kind of right there. Almost got it. So
really need to close below pre-market low, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Although on the 2-minute, we got kind of a pretty nasty doji.
SPY 664.
Right off that 9 rejection.
That's what I took.
Hello?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I should have looked back on the 5-minute on SPY. It's probably still going to dump.
Still a little bear flag thing. Are you looking at the 1 minute? I'm just looking at the 2 and 3.
Yeah, I was looking at the 3 and the 1, and I forgot. Normally, I check over on the 5 before I stop out, and I just saw that we just didn't get above the 9 and VWAP on that, or it would have held.
Gotcha. Well, Coke is still going.
Yeah, Coke looked great.
Got over that opening print spot. Amazon still on the curl with Meta.
As long as SPY is headed down, I like Coke up.
I'll say NQ and ES, nothing looks good right now, either side. You got to get below pre-market low, and there's a level right below we just wicked off of, so nothing looks good right now on the indexes.
What's up, Holly?
What up?
Are you in Italy still?
No, I just got back.
Oh, cool, man.
ES looks like it wants to close below pre-market, but it has not for a while. Yeah, and NQ's wicking off pre-market, so I don't like either side right now. We're below the opening print by quite a bit. Yeah, Italy trading hours. I didn't trade in Italy, but market opened at 3:30 in the afternoon, closes at 10. It's kind of wild.
Jeez.
Although it would be kind of cool to like get your whole day done and then be like, cool, I can just maybe trade from like 3:30 to 6 p.m. or something.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, you just adjust. I saw some people in Vietnam who trade like middle of the night or something, and it's like, whatever.
I just didn't want to I didn't take any trades because I was like, I don't want to. There's nothing will ruin a vacation faster than like not enjoying it and then losing money.
IWM volume is just crap, but I I like the potential of this candle closes nicely. The only thing I
Yep.
didn't get on IWM, oh, actually, no, I'm getting it here too. Hold on. The 245s, maybe. Let me see.
And actually,
Yeah, I'm going to take a position in the 245s at 34.
Hey, KT,
Yeah.
look at the daily Disney liquidity clear out 3 days ago.
Oh yeah, with all the Jimmy
It
Kimmel stuff,
it made
probably.
a little bit lower low, so it cleared out all liquidity from our previous low on August 11th, and it's
I want to
starting to
see this
pick up.
candle close above the previous candle and VWAP, and then I really like the setup on IWM.
You
Disney
said,
could really catch a bid here.
yeah. I hope so. It's been flat forever. You said
Yeah, and it cleared out
245s,
those lows.
Alex?
That was a good dip buy.
Milky
245s.
245.
Yeah, I have them
Let's go.
at, sorry, can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So I grabbed IWM 245s at 34 here. It's not full position for me yet, but it's a decent position. And then I've also grabbed SPY calls, but smaller, because I had what I call a Milky setup, is like a little X marks the spot setup where the bullish channel and the bearish channel, they just crisscross above a support level.
Uh-huh.
So that to me normally will indicate a Milky setup. But right now she's just a little weak on SPY. So I'm not big on any of my positions, but these are like, let's go with starter positions on both. I just need SPY to actually cooperate now.
Yeah, Spy looks like downside and IWM looks like upside for me.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I agree. IDM looks strong.
There's just no volume in IWM. Like, look at that. What was that? Like 5,000 contracts?
right. Just a little melt up here. These little candles. I'm looking at the 3-minute. Let me see the 2. Yeah, I mean they're engulfing to the upside at least. The 2 red candles on the 2-minute.
Mm-hmm.
The 5, there's just one little doji, so not too bad.
So SPY, we're up 10% already. IWM, we're up 10%, and SPY, I'm only down 1%. So I'm down $1 a contract on SPY. So I'm kind of like, okay, as long as we're holding these levels, I'm not super freaked out about my position. And again, I'm not in with crazy size.
Yeah, Disney only down a few bucks too. It's not like it didn't. What, I think it went to 118-ish, 119. It was going back down to 115, and then it swept 112. I thought it would
Yep.
do worse, but it had horrible PR.
I think it can easily push right back up to 120, 120 at least off of this. I like how it cleared that liquidity and instantly turned it around. And that was before the rehiring of Kimmel News. All this shit that kind of fades away pretty quickly, honestly. And they'll
Mm-hmm.
be onto a new news story. I'm trying to decide if I want to go short term and just get the October 17th or go another month out, because I think this could really catch a bid. The October 17th 120s are like 80 cents. That's insane cheap. So maybe I'm gonna do October and November. Small November position, just a starter, tight stop loss. I'm gonna put it in my channel right now.
Come
I
on,
don't care what it's
Tesla.
doing on short-term time frames. I haven't even looked, by the way.
Come on, Tesla. Let's bust it.
Bust it.
Bust it. Especially with SPY and a bear flag, you would think with the AIM thesis, Tesla would be riding higher a little bit.
Bust it.
And Disney is high risk. It ripped today. Obviously, it's going to be safer to wait for a pullback in position with a better entry. I know that. But I also know that I might not circle back around to it. So I'm going to set alarms.
JD back over 35.
Insane. These fucking China stocks piss me off, man. I
Uh-huh.
can't. I can't. Like, I think about Baba and it like keeps me awake at night. I could have made at least 100K on that stock.
Well, they
So
gapped
upsetting.
down, what, 2 days ago? 2 nights ago, it gapped down, oh my gosh, 7, 8, 9%. So people holding or bought the dip, okay. But if you just held through that, holy moly.
But if you look at the daily, like there was never a place for me where trend broke where I would have abandoned a full position.
Yeah. Just seeing something down 8%
No, I
overnight
get
though
it.
is
I
jarring.
get it.
China is very tough to swing.
Unless you have like time. You can't absorb that on an October contract. You need to be out to like June 2026 or later. Like
Right.
you would have needed time to absorb something like
There
that
goes
for sure.
SPY.
I agree.
Seeing these bull markets, these bull market bear flags, I expect them to go higher unless there's a
You have
catalyst
to.
like J-Pow. Like J-Pow yesterday, you're like, we're bear flagging, I'm in puts, right? Like Milky was doing that too. But I'm surprised this didn't continue down,
But
Like we
here's the
obviously closed with
difference for
weakness.
me between yesterday and today. Yesterday, the SPY tried to pop a couple times throughout it. Today, the SPY took an instant drill. And for me, it's like it already satisfied that sell off it was looking for pretty quick.
Yeah. And yesterday in the bear flag end of day, we were sitting there in the Discord waiting. I said, if this takes the next leg down, it never triggered though.
Yeah.
So you never got that last, I guess, sell off, right? It held. We also didn't pop, but it held yesterday. The volume dried up for sure. It held that 662 to 663 area. So that was kind of interesting that we didn't drop to like 661 ish.
I'm very tempted to double down on my NVIDIA here. I'm down 18%, 19%. We've got 4 weeks to expiration. I've got 10. I think I'm going to buy 20 more.
Like by the dip on it, yeah.
Yeah, just double down, get my positioning better, and then I'll be down like 6, 7% instead of 20%. I want to
Coke
see what it
Coke
plays
is
out though.
rejecting yesterday's highs.
Yeah, it was nasty.
Tesla have a new high day.
Oh, nice.
450, 450. Come on.
450.
450.
We saw 10% on our SPY trade and 15% on our IWM trade, but I just don't like how either of them are moving right now, especially with the volume. So
Hmm.
just taking a little risk off in profit, just so I'm
Yeah.
not exposing myself to too much right now, guys.
Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah.
See if Tesla can break the high day spot. It's like within pennies. It made an actual new high by a few pennies.
Did you know Charlie Sheen slept with 47,000 women?
Really?
And he has
Yeah.
AIDS because of it. Yeah.
Disgusting. No wonder you have HIV. I mean, let's be real. 40 how does your
How do you even
thingy
keep
even
count?
work anymore? Like
How does
seriously, how does it not fall off? 47,000 different women is insane. That is
how,
insanity.
how does mathematically that even
I was
happen?
gonna
I
say, like, I
don't
don't
even
believe when they say stuff
You
like
gotta be
that. I'm like,
fucking like 3 times a day.
I mean, well, when you're blowing lines 20 hours a day for 20 years,
Well, he's also
you probably
keeping
walk
count
around
while
with a
high.
permanent, you know.
KT, he's got an assistant for that. Let's be real.
Yeah, just a tally. Take the tally on the side.
that's still like 4 women a day for 20 years.
I mean, let's be real. He was married to the hottest girl in Hollywood that every guy was in love with in her prime and cheated on her 900,000 times. The dude's demented.
So she didn't.
Denise Richard was
So
like,
she didn't cook.
shut the fuck
She didn't make no fucking. She wasn't
up.
making enough fucking sandwiches, man.
Oh, shit. We're going to get
Be as
canceled on this stream.
be as hot as you want. You ain't making no sandwiches. He don't give a fuck.
No one's going to cancel you. Why are you so worried about
This
getting
is
canceled
G-rated
anyway?
compared to when we're in Discord only. Oh, shit. KT's
Why?
DM me before, like, holy shit. I can't believe someone just said that.
Yeah.
Oh, I say the worst things ever. Somebody yesterday was like, "Can we be respectful?" Because I told women, I talked about like women that are taking Tylenol and like filming
Yeah.
themselves when they're pregnant. I was like, you guys are retards. And somebody was like, "Can we not use offensive language?" I was like, "Can you?"
Oh,
I literally
God.
wanted to write like, "Can you suck my dick?" But I
They
didn't.
would literally cancel in our Discord in 1.3 hours of me streaming. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
I can't help it. I had a lot of opinions.
Yeah, like, come on. Even if you
Ugh.
don't agree, it's entertaining. Like, that's what I take out of it. Like, whatever,
Yeah.
Shit. Just laugh. Enjoy the ride. They all
Chop.
hate us. They're all for themselves. Who cares?
Apple's not too bad here, Amy, off
All
lows.
love.
See that little falling wedge on Apple?
What is Apple at? Because it's holding a
Guys,
major
I don't like the
level.
Lucas buy. If you want, if you guys.
Let me look.
The indices are just chopping away.
So 40, I gotta do the math on this. Hold on. 47,000. I'm still
I was
stuck
already
on
doing
this.
it. I don't think it works. It's like six,
Divided by 365.
even like six
That's
women a
okay.
day for like 30
That's
years.
100. That's 128
Yeah,
years of
exactly. He's
having
lying.
sex once a day.
He's full of shit.
I mean, I've heard some stories and read some shit. Like, it does. He's not saying he got off 47,000 times. There's a difference there.
Oh my god.
So,
I think
you
he
know,
needs to move a decimal point. There's no way. It's like 100 women a day for 20 years. It's like, no, you didn't
yeah.
do that.
Man, sorry, I just read that on X randomly. I had to bring it up.
How many? 47,000?
47,000 women. He was on Impulsive yesterday podcast and said that.
Come on, dude.
I remember Magic
That's like
Johnson said 5,000, which that's a realistic number, I feel.
Yeah. And how many of those were in group
Yeah, that's
situations,
true.
like if
crazy.
it's just the tip, does it count? Oh my God, I got to shut up now.
Yeah, is it like whack-a-mole kind of thing?
Crazy. Oh,
Playing a game
man.
of whack fuck here. Man,
Anyway, back
this
to the
morning is
charts.
shit right now.
Yeah, bunch of nothing.
Well, we had some banger trades the first 20 minutes. So I'm happy.
JD still pretty good.
Tesla's
I,
still new
I
highs,
was
just
just gonna
keeps plugging
say,
away.
Tesla, but the indices though. See, Alex, you crush IWM, but there's every once in a while. I mean, 4 out of 5 days, you get great movement. There's that always one day though where it's kind of like, fuck, it's not moving. It sucks. It
Don't talk
happens.
about my girl like that.
Look at her now.
I'm looking at her. She's pissing me off right now.
She took some Valium this
She's
morning. She don't
she's
want to
waiting for
move.
she's waiting for Charlie Sheen to call her back after a long night, and he's not.
She would never mess with Charlie.
Okay.
She's
Good
a
for
classy
her.
girl.
Yes.
She's French. She's the Roussel. She's not the Russell. She's Roussel.
Oh, shit.
She's not Samantha. She's Charlotte. Okay.
Hi, I'm Samantha. Yeah. She's definitely not a Charlotte. She's a little sluttier than Charlotte.
All right. She can be Carrie.
No, she's not Carrie. Carrie's.
Well, she's not Miranda. Miranda's annoying.
No, she's Mr. Big, but like a girl.
Okay. Let's see how Peloton stock's doing then.
She's Kelly Taylor, damn it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm still in this fucking SPY trade and I'm still in my IWM calls. We took the puts for 115%. I'm stoked about it. Our calls are getting a little chopped to shit right now. We saw 20% on SPY. We saw 15% on IWM.
Yeah.
Again, don't overexpose yourself. If you're freaking out right now, your butthole's puckered, it's because you're in way too many contracts and you're over leveraging.
Yep. Or you were thinking about Charlie Sheen.
Or you were thinking about being number 50,000.
Well, and you said go lighter in the chop, and you said we have to break the range to go heavier, and that's all true.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
You
but we're
slept with
still
that
kind of
many
we're
women. How many
still
men did
bear
you sleep with?
flagging.
Oh, yeah, he
Oh,
said he
We're bear
tried it with
flagging
men
on
too.
SPY, but
So that means he slept with
we win, we
10,000 men?
lose.
He probably slept with a lot of men too. I wouldn't be
oh yeah.
surprised.
Yeah. If you're 47,000 deep, there's no holds bars going on. Come on.
Did you say
Come on.
holes or
I said
hold?
there's no holds bar. The holds bar, like the phrase that never mind.
There's no band. What? Amy, I'm muting Amy.
It's a saying.
You're changing it to no holes.
What is it supposed to be?
No holds barred.
That's what I said. No holds. HOLDS.
I could have sworn you said no holes.
Oh, no holes either. I mean,
I mean, hey.
If it was a man, it was no hole. So, well, no, there is a hole. Never mind. I'm going to shut up now. I am totally muting myself.
Sorry, were you guys talking to me?
Did somebody say host?
Oh shit!
Just wait till tomorrow's female stream.
Hey, sit up to that one. What's up, everybody?
Hello. Oh boy.
I got a
Yeah, we're
small
still
long on
bear
right now.
flagging.
I'm not red on it, a couple points, but we'll see.
I'm bored.
In the mud and the rain.
I
And it's
feel like
possible a
I'd
man
be less.
slipped in.
What?
Would be no way of knowing.
I feel like your voice could put me to sleep. Keep talking.
We lose pre-market low here. I'm gonna trigger spy puts.
I'm not
Yeah, NQ's right there, bouncing off
to many,
pre-market
many women.
low. Still need to close. There's a level right below it, so we need a
Yeah,
5-minute close.
Chop,
that's what
chop,
I'm
chop,
waiting
chop, chop,
for.
chop,
Five
chop.
minute close below.
In the 60s, I made love to many, many women, often outdoors,
Oh,
in the
God.
mud and the rain. And it's possible a man slipped in. Would be no way of knowing.
Is that him?
Possible a man slipped in. There'd be no way of knowing. That's
Whoop.
Creed from The Office.
I
Creed,
slipped.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. I knew I recognized that voice.
A little bit of a rising wedge on Tesla. These like to break above as well, just like the bear flags break above. I took profits because I have 440 as a big level, so I'm happy with it. I don't want to get stuck in chop and all that. I will say that Milky is insane at having patience and pouncing. So, when she is going heavier and saying full size and stuff, once this range breaks, take her trades. And Amy's also really, really good at being patient and pouncing on swings and saying this isn't where you trade spy. So if they're
Yep.
waiting, I need to wait with them. That's kind of always helping me to not jump the gun as well. So there we
It's
go,
so
Tesla.
it's so
Kind
hard
of a
to
bit of
not.
a right angle triangle on spy too, though. On the 5 minute.
If I were
Chop.
still in Tesla, I would have sold right there. Just got my target. I sold under it, but that was my little 440 target. So
I was gonna say, be careful on IWM. It looks kind of like a pennant that's breaking to the downside right now.
Yeah. If since Spy just rejected bearish channel and she just like slightly closed above her little bullish channel, I'm kind of looking to see if we're going to get a little rejection here of pre-market low for me to want to take the potential put side of Spy that I'm already in the calls. I took a ton of my position off at 20%. So
I just have this triangle in the chat on IWM. I just put it in yours too, Milky. So it's totally sideways for me.
yeah, where's the volume at? What's everyone trading today? Like,
JD,
okay.
China,
I'm like, what's all the money going into?
Amy's Baba.
Ugh. I'm trying to think who else likes Baba a lot.
Baba
Tendies
Black
likes Baba.
Sheep.
Oh
Fuck
wow,
that stuff.
Baidu's really rolling.
Talked about
5 bucks.
Baidu a couple days ago.
Yeah,
Tesla hit 440, new high a day on Little Miss Teze. That's a triple bagger, 100% just hit on my 450 calls.
Let's
I have
go.
maybe
3 left.
Baidu is going because we're talking about dudes. Am I right, Charlie?
210 to
Yeah.
446.
Anyone?
That one was a
Anyone?
stretch, Katie. Milky
Anyone?
was laughing just to be
Come
nice. That
on.
was a
I know.
stretch. That
I
was
thought
a
it was
dad
funny.
joke.
I liked it.
Katie's the king. Well, no, Dodge is the king of dad jokes. Oh my God,
I
cheesy,
was totally
cheesy.
into that joke.
Amy, it's
Yeah.
not a dudes. It's 90% of it.
I
You're a
get it.
wordsmith. You're a
I
wordsmith,
get it. I get the wordplay on
Hey,
that.
if
I get
anyone
it.
goes on a deep AmmaJamma deep dive on the internet and you find her poetry, it's amazing.
Oh
So
my
she's gonna
God,
laugh
don't
at
even.
by dudes. That's the extent of mine is by dudes and puns, like you said with Dodge. So, but Amy's a real wordsmith.
I
As
appreciate
Tesla is
you.
sitting at the 440, and so on Tesla, even though it is rising, you're not getting that rejection that you got at 438. So,
Yep. I like the
and we
melt up.
yeah, and we just retested the orb on Tesla
Let
at
me follow you.
7:06 a.m. So not too bad. This is a nice candle on IWM. The triangle I just put in the chat. We're bouncing right off of it, but you want to break out of that. JD is rolling now.
We're not losing this pre-market low on SPY. If we can get over 633.52, I'd trigger some calls. If we lose pre-market low, I'd trigger puts, but we're pumping off a pre-market low now.
So I'm still in the SPY calls, the 645s at 58, and then the IWM we were down 26% on those. But I'm not adding to this because she's still chopping in range. We're breaking through bearish channel right now. We're also holding an old bullish channel. Let me actually redraw this. So I was watching somebody talk shit on trend lines, and I was like, I make a lot of money off trend lines.
Hey,
So
that's all I do is fucking trend
that's
lines.
they're
All
everybody.
day,
They were talking
all
so
day.
much shit on them. They were like, trend lines, you can't make money off trend lines. I was like, that's really weird
Trend
because I'm like
lines is the
up a lot.
most important part of trading change my mind. Now, not
I
every trend line, not every 4 hour candle, reversal trend lines.
mm-hmm.
Reversal trend lines where confluence happens is the most important part of trading. It's more important than volume, it's more important than fibs, it's more important than midpoint, it's more important than all of it. When you break a level, you're clearing liquidity, period. Period.
See?
It's crazy. That is crazy talk. Tell me who that is. I will rip
He
them
was
up.
on Instagram and he had like 58,000 followers and I was like, fuck
Yeah,
this
I've
guy. He
seen
was like
that from
talking
big.
shit on Tory trades and a bunch of other
Is he
like
some
traders. And
ICT fucker?
no, he actually he said he liked ICT trades, whatever. I don't know who these people are.
I mean, to be
All I know.
honest, I do use a little bit of ICT stuff. I combine a lot of different
Yeah, but that
strategies.
doesn't mean throw out other things that work like trend lines.
But that's like people that just blindly say 15-minute orb. That's all you need to trade with. You're going to get smoked
Oh
because if we're
God.
in chop, like the last month has proven, like Milky hasn't mentioned orbit all today because she's a strong enough trader that the last couple
True.
weeks when we have that range bound 15-minute 1 point of chop all day, orb trades are going to destroy you because we have created this box we're in. So like
Yeah.
people will pivot off that strategy. Milky doesn't sit there just sitting on orb all day or on an MA strategy all day or on a pre-market high, pre-market low. She's compiled a list of different things she uses put together that shows a strength in being able to ride the wave of whatever the chart's telling her. That's how
Yeah,
you
and
have to trade.
if the chat's focused on buy dudes,
Dead. Yeah, I love the 15-minute orb. I actually remember when I first started using orb. I remember I think I posted something. I was like, "Do you guys like 30-minute or 15-minute?" And I did a little private session with Big Daddy Max, and
Mhm.
he basically he amplified how I was trading the 15-minute orb, which I'm so thankful that I did that little like lesson with him because it just had me look at it differently than I was looking at it. He
there's
introduced me
tests
to
on the
mid range.
440 rejection.
Yeah, because Max uses the strategy where he has, it's not just the 15-minute orb. He's
Yeah.
got this criteria within it he uses, and that's what it has to be,
Yep.
and exactly. You're stacking probabilities. All the people in Discord know what I'm talking about. You're stacking high probability your setups on top of each other. And when you get all those boxes checked, it's like, yes, please.
Well, that's the
Give
thing
me the
too. Is
money.
we're not just looking at we're on a 4 bar bear flag. Milky's like this is a 4 hour level too. Like
Yeah.
you have to have the macro with the micro and
Hmm. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Tesla
Like
What
rejected
the fuck?
exactly what I said. Yeah, I
if I
got
could
out a
find
little
who that
early, but
if I could find who that person is, we can all go talk shit to him.
That's exactly yesterday's high. It did not clear out yesterday's highs. Tesla did not clear out yesterday's highs, though. So I do think it needs to test that area again. We'll see, though. We needed
43.50.
440.97. We got four.
Damn.
What did we get? 440.52. So and that's just all I'm saying. Like someone says, like trend lines don't work. Is either an amateur that draws 9,000 trend lines all over their chart. So of course they don't seem like they work because you got too many on your chart,
Right.
or they're just trying shock value to get
Yeah.
views because they're
The
making all their
core,
money off
the
Instagram,
core of
not
my
trading.
system is trend lines. Even this triangle, any pattern uses trend lines. I
Yep.
just posted that IWM triangle. That's based on trend lines. And Q's bear flag kind of breaking under there. Spy almost to the bottom of it. Q's is a little weaker, I
I
guess.
would say exclusively trend lines can hurt you if you're not experienced enough to know what else to add to it, whether it be volume, volume profile, your MAs, not mine, your MAs, midpoint, fibs, whatever it might be. You know, you're always stacking something on top of it
Oh yeah.
for that
Well,
confirmation.
the first name of our Discord was Tan Lines and Trend Lines. So,
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
well, I got Amy to laugh at a stupid dad joke. Yes.
Good job.
In reality, it was stocks and sushi. That's true.
Interesting.
My buddy bought Stocks and Sushi LLC.
That's terrible, though. I don't like that. Trend lines and
No.
tan lines plays way better than stocks and sushi. What's stocks and sushi? What's the correlation? Because they start with S? No. Trend lines and tan lines like play off each other
No,
when
no,
you're
no.
saying it way better.
Right. But the idea is trade and then go get sushi instead of
Okay,
going to
but
work in a cubicle all
90%
day.
of people don't like sushi unless you're from SoCal. Sorry, KT.
What the?
Well, I like sushi and tan lines. How do I combine that?
You are so SoCal right there. I'm up in Indiana. Like, I can't even think of more than 10 sushi places that I don't have to
Oh
go
my
into
god.
Chicago for.
Okay, that's what I was talking about with ERockTrades when he was telling me about where he lives and stuff, and I was just wrapping my head around it. And I was like, yeah, come out here, go to sushi, and he was naming places, and I said, those are nice places, Nobu and other places by, Newport and other, there's some
Yeah.
nice sushi for sure. But that being said, I was like, I will take you to some all you can eat in Costa Mesa and Riverside out here that is $30 that will knock your socks off. The
And
place, it's literally called All You Can Eat Sushi. AYS, all AY, I
No, I
think.
can vouch. I've been, and I'm a
E-
sushi connoisseur.
Yeah.
well,
Yeah. Holly went with
Yeah,
me.
it's great.
that's to play off that,
And
KT.
he's like, what's the bill? That's for two people? He was like, oh, we're paying separately. I was like, that's the bill for both. And I got it.
That's insane because here it's like $22 for a Godzilla roll, first of all. Second of all, you tagged me the other day on that Chicago food being mid post, and I wanted to
Yeah.
comment back. He ate all chain fucking food.
What did
He
he
didn't
eat? Do
Yeah.
eat
you
any
know?
mom and pop places. He went to
Yes.
Portillo's for his
Oh,
beef. Get the fuck out of here.
yeah.
That's chain food. You gotta go to Johnny's. You gotta go to certain divey places. You don't go to
I
Portillo's.
told him, I said, we have Portillo's in
Yeah.
Moreno Valley
You don't go to
by my
fucking
house.
Portillo's if you're in
The
Chicago
guy that went
to
there
get Italian
works
beef.
5 minutes from Portillo's. He works at the March Reserve Base, which is right by the Marina Valley Mall, Portillo's. And Amy sent me there, and I was like, "It's alright, it's alright."
It's okay
And then
from
how?
what you can get out there. It's acceptable.
It's
Their
also
cheese
fast
sauce,
food. Like, go to a real
yeah, their cheese
restaurant.
sauce is the best cheese sauce in the
Here
world.
we go. Here we go.
Changed my
Here we
mind.
go. We're off and running.
But when he was like, "Oh, this was mid and that was mid," every place he named was chain bullshit. It's like getting deep dish from Giordano's. That's not
Yeah,
what you do. Go to Pequod's, get your deep dish.
yeah.
Go to Johnny's,
During
get your beef. You know, you live in Chicago.
Hell yeah.
Since we started talking about Chicago food, Charlie Sheen has had sex with 18 people. That's all I know.
That was good.
Okay, he said they got Portillo's legal seafood. What does that
I
mean?
don't have any idea what legal seafood is.
Yeah, me neither.
New England based dim sum. Chinatown was good.
Ch-
Dim sum in Chinatown.
yeah, Chinatown is fire
Yeah.
for sure.
And even like seafood in general in Chicago is not, I don't seek it out. Like Shaw's
Yeah.
Crab House is fine, but
It's
it's not a
not even
seafood
near the
town, you
sea.
know?
It's not. If you're going to come to Chicago and you want to get seafood, get lake perch
Yeah,
or
exactly. I
walleye.
always say get whitefish. Get whatever's in the
Yeah.
lake. Yeah.
Yep. Lake perch,
That's
walleye.
what I did. Sorry to drop it, but in Austria, Hallstatt, I was like, "What is this fish?" Like, that's the only thing out of this lake. It's the town that they
Hmm.
based Frozen, the town from Frozen on. I was like, "Let me get it." And it's been a year since I was eating, fish with the bones. But it was like, I go, "This is out of this lake." It just felt so fun.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
great.
Like That's
It's good.
exactly
I
it.
love whitefish. Anywhere on the planet, give me
Why
whitefish.
would you go to Chicago to get lobster that they had to fly in from halfway across the
Exactly.
US
Exactly.
instead of getting a lake perch from the lake down the street? Like, seriously, it makes no
Exactly.
sense. That's like, why would you come to Chicago and get Portillo's when you could get it everywhere in the US? It's like
The fuck is a lake
counterproductive.
perch?
Lake perch is the best fish you'll ever eat in your life.
Yeah,
Period.
Lake Birch is awesome.
That's so country.
It's not the
I'm
same as
like,
Holly,
ocean perch. This is lake
I'm like,
perch.
Holly,
I
though.
like sea
Yellow
bass.
belly, yellow. Listen, you want to hear country? It's called yellow belly lake perch or orange belly
Oh
lake
Oh
wow.
perch.
shit. Holly, though, you
So
know that out here is the best sushi and the best Mexican food.
no,
What?
that's facts. Yeah,
Chicago's
SoCal
got
has it
fire
on lock.
Mexican food. I don't know about that.
Come on, bro. Oh my
You
Southside
know who
god.
has the
Chicago.
SoCal
worst
wins.
Mexican food?
What?
Texas. It's fucking
Yeah,
garbage.
yeah.
Tex-Mex
That's
is
what I heard.
trash.
No, I agree. Tex-Mex sucks.
New York or Chicago.
Hunter, Tex-Mex is garbage. Like you don't know Mexican food unless you go to California or to Mexico.
Oh my god,
You know what
Yeah.
goes great with Mexican food? Chocolate sauce.
Oh, mole.
What? Oh my god.
It tastes like shit.
Hey, mole done right in Mexico,
Yeah, mole.
knock your socks
I don't
off.
even know if Chicago's got good Mexican food. All I know is that at 3 in the morning, when you get a burrito that's 98 pounds full of steak, it
Yeah.
feels like the best thing in the world when I was 21. So I don't know.
Well,
There's a
Yeah.
couple of neighborhoods that aren't bad, but
Yeah.
SoCal is by far the best for
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
I just the thing that I learned though was um not every state, right? Even Utah, because I was like, oh, you can eat sushi. Literally, it's $30, and places would be like, it's $5 off. I'm like, we're not going because of the price. 30 is already good, guys. Don't skimp. And then like E-Trades, and I think Holly was telling me because he travels a lot. He was just like, no, all you can eat isn't a thing everywhere. You can't
No.
just
No,
like
it's
get
definitely not.
that in Nashville or whatever. And I was like, really?
And if it is, it's usually
So
a red flag.
If it's all
Yeah.
you can eat in Chicago, it's probably been shut down by the health department.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
you're
if
like,
it's
what
all you
fish
can
is
eat
this?
sushi, you're gonna be sick the next day if you're in Chicago.
Yeah.
Sorry. Like at Godzilla rolls $23 at all the decent places. If you're getting like
Yeah.
three or four
Yeah.
Godzilla
rolls,
roll.
you're paying $100 in Chicago.
For sure.
Here, all you can eat sushi is like maybe a step above gas station sushi.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
Hey,
sugarfish.
E-Trade, quick question for you. Where
Sugarfish.
do you have pre-market low at?
Is it sweet?
No, it's just
On what
like
spy?
really good and
On
fresh.
SPY?
It's delicious.
Pre-market low
663.
has the wick because of that
663
opening
flat, right?
candle.
I have
Yeah.
Yeah.
663 flat. Yeah.
If you
Okay. Well, maybe I'm
disregard the
not
wick
fucking
though,
tripping.
it's
Yeah, if you disregard the
66402.
wick, it's up at 664.07
Yeah.
ish or
What?
something like that.
So that one wick
664.
I would personally throw out and I would just do 664.
She's dancing on
Gotcha.
pre-market low, so I'm gonna keep it right where it is. She's just dancing on it.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm gonna hold here, and then I'm gonna like get everybody to buy calls because I'm holding, and then I'm gonna fucking dump, which is probably what's gonna happen. Maybe, I don't know. I already took puts down for 115%. I'm getting chopped to shit on these calls, so
Baidu still going nuts.
bye, dude. Still like nuts. Is that what you just said?
Yeah, it's still just straight up.
You didn't hear what I
Looks
said. I said bye, dudes like nuts. That wasn't a dad joke. That was just a pervert joke.
It's true though. It was true. Anyone who's shaking their head, you know it's true, so stop shaking your head.
I watch way too much porn. Sorry. Oh my god.
Q's, lowercase h.
Stair step, stair step, stair step. Fucking gross. Yeah,
This is
Q's.
just the post J Pow chop bullshit, you know?
I mean, Q's. I'm gonna mention orb. Q's are giving you a nice rejection of that opening range support level. So potential
Yeah.
flipping that to resistance on Q's.
No, there's
Spot.
nothing wrong with orb. It's just for it to be end all be all. Hey, I
Yeah, no,
don't
of
trade
course.
out of the orb. I'm like, E-Trades will play the bottom of the orb to the midpoint of the orb or the top of the orb and make 50K. And other people are like, I told you this was chop. And I'm just like,
Yeah.
if you get a Marabozu candle at the bottom of the orb, take calls, bro.
Yeah, you're like fucking full port. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Don't ever full port. Okay, what I'm looking for here on SPY, I know the PA's crap and she just keeps chopping. I'm potential X marks the spot scenario again. If she gives me a pull right back down to that same level she keeps holding, which is this 662.93 level, and then sweeps that previous 5-minute candle, like right where her 9 EMA is, then I might like my calls again. As of right now, I'm kind of hands off. They're just sitting here getting chopped to shit. So I'm not adding to anything. My
But
IWM calls got absolutely whacked, but she just is now pulling to my level of stop out. So
Tesla's pinched in
after
between previous high a day and yesterday's high a day. So we'll see how that plays out. We need that 440
Tesla is
back.
1, 2, 3, 5. 25 minutes of rejection on IWM there. Of VWAP. She's got 1 hold in the last hour. No, 2 holds in the last hour. Q's holding. Apple stair stepped. SPY. Ooh, SPY. Do something. I'm so bored. I feel like every Wednesday we get like the most boring PA. Have you noticed that the last couple weeks?
Yeah, Wednesdays have been trash.
They
Last week
have.
for sure was dead.
Like Tuesdays and Thursdays have been fire, and then Wednesdays have been duty. Like I'm up 3% on my SPY trade. Like
Let's
I'm
go.
rich. I saw 20% on it earlier. Now I'm up 3%.
Oh my God, that video yesterday.
What
Who
video?
posted that video of that girl teaching stocks? I
Oh
was,
God, put Pelosi.
No, that was me, Emma, in the Discord.
Oh, you
Yeah,
posted
I
it?
saw that all over.
that is
It was like
gives us
a
bad name.
seminar.
That gives us a bad name as female traders.
I was joking with Arsenic. I was like, do we need an in live session, study session?
Ugh. She didn't even know what MS or CNBC. I was like, oh my God, this is
I thought they
crazy.
were doing good. They were trying. I'm gonna be positive.
Hold on,
I think we should
yes,
invite them.
but
We should invite them to the fucking Discord.
hold on,
Just saying.
KT. Good enough to be a fucking teacher to other people on how to trade is much
She was
different than having
going straight to
basic.
like Chat GPT.
So
She's
I'm
like,
just
hey,
gonna
Chat
look back to
GPT.
the 25th of July, and then I'm gonna ask AI what it's doing. Okay, and this is
Oh,
what it's
oh,
doing.
we had the Fed that day. So
Yeah.
when that
So
happens,
like look at this, and then I'm gonna go. Ooh, okay. Next time I'm gonna press buys here. I
Hey,
literally
Someone,
hey,
like whip it.
Emma, you gotta
someone was
invite them
like,
to ladies night,
they're,
Emma.
Uh,
someone said they're so dumb. I was halfway expecting them to call Alan Iverson and ask him.
they're like, is that like a channel?
fucking I
See CNBC?
women. I love women. I love the beauty of femininity. I think that it's great, but a dumb woman
Oh,
is my least favorite thing on the frickin' planet. And maybe I wish that I was dumber so that I
yeah,
would just
that's what
think
it
that the
is.
world is perfect and like life is great all the time, but I was born way too smart. I hate that.
100%, especially the ones that hang their hat on it,
Yeah,
because and then we'll come off like we're
assholes.
assholes, some kind of wrong because we have no patience for it.
Like, why does your
Deal
face look
breaker.
like that?
Oh my God.
Why do you have resting bitch face? People are always like, people always say to me, they're like, oh, when I meet you, I think you're gonna be mean, and I'm like, what? I'm just really blunt and very sarcastic, and like I'll just
Right?
fire off sarcasm to you. So if you're stupid, like I just feed off of it. It's
I
I
really
have
didn't.
to
I didn't get
con
to. I didn't get to meet you. You didn't come out of the house when I picked up Eddie that day.
yeah. So that was a really bad day for me.
I know it was. I said don't. I said don't have her. No, like she needs to have a rough weekend. I get it,
Yeah.
but you have resting bitch face and active bitch face.
Oh, I do. I'm not a bitch though. Actually, I hate being called a bitch. You can call me a twat or like
yeah.
all the other words, but like being called a bitch really bothers
Well,
Well,
I have to hold restrict, and this is going to sound crazy to some everybody that listens to my streams every day. I have to go out like 25% of what I really want to say.
Oh
And
yeah.
once in a while, I go too far and I have to like really stop myself. I'm like, no, don't do it.
Amy,
Don't
I'm
do
not
it.
I'm
Just
not
slow mo.
screenshot DMs person because I never want somebody to think he's going to screenshot my DMs next. Like I'll never do that because like you're breaching trust and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah.
But I'm like, I have the power to take Amy down.
Oh God, I have popped the fuck off.
I'm like, I have 14 DMs from Amy. Okay. She's like, this is what I really want to say. Look at this article. I'm like, hey.
Someone in my Discord wrote resting twat face.
Resting twat face.
I love it. It's so true. It's
It's a
just all the
freedom though.
Botox. I just have a lot of Botox in this face.
Oh my God, I need some between my eyes so bad. It's been like a year.
Oh,
Don't
I
even
got this.
talk about
So
it.
in Texas, they have this new place that it's like a $2.99 a month, but it's unlimited Botox plus a facial plus a B12 shot and plus small laser hair removal. I was like, sign me the
That's
fuck up
actually pretty
and
cheap.
load up this face.
That's cheap.
I know.
Between your eyes, huh? What time's your appointment? 11?
What?
You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
it's
You
from
know,
looking at my phone and squinting all the time because my eyesight sucks. So I got those two marks between my eyes. So I
oh yeah,
need
the
Botox
11.
there like twice as often as my
Yeah,
laugh
they're
lines.
called your 11s. That's why I was saying that joke.
It is. Oh, I didn't know that. How
Yep.
did I not know that?
You know what
Okay.
they are.
Milky, you know that they're called that, right?
Yeah,
Or
no,
no?
I know that.
Okay. Did you like my reference? I'm
Yeah,
smart.
I
See?
was like, damn, he knows. Okay, just gonna talk about the market really fast because the PA shit. SPY, we just hit 20% again on our trade, but SPY just like has yet to do anything fun with a breakout type of scenario. She just kind of keeps. She just finally held VWAP for the first time in an hour, which is super exciting. IWM, on the other hand, is rejected now for like 35 minutes straight. She just kind of keeps just teeter tottering above this pre-market low level. So I'm still just getting chopped to shit on my IWM 244s, and then my SPY trade is up. So again, we're not averaging in because the movement is duty. At least for me. I don't know if are you guys even in any of these, or am I the only one getting annoyed by the PA right now?
I've still got a little
No,
bit of Tesla.
I'm in
That's it.
IWM with you, Milky.
Okay.
And on the 15-minute, we have got 3 inside bars. 3.
Yeah.
Jeez.
So when that breaks one side or the other, and it's in a pennant, so if it can actually gather up some strength and get some buyers,
Yeah.
that thing is going to explode to the upside.
Well, can it happen now? Because I'm so bored.
I know.
And my let's be honest, we took this position originally at 34. They just hit 18. So if you're still holding a full position down 44%, like you need to question yourself as a trader. I have not averaged into this position at all because I don't like that we have not broken above VWAP yet. I am getting torn to shreds on my original position, but it's a starter position. I literally have less than $400 in this trade. So I'm not like super worried about my position right now, but I would like to see some movement that I like, and then I can average into this position with like a couple thousand and then actually have a full position in it. That's how I trade, guys. I scale in. So for those of you who have never traded with me, that's how I trade.
Yeah, I'm going to join you guys on IWM actually right now.
Let's do it.
Yep. It's going to break out here in just a second.
Okay, cool. Could SPY follow?
Okay, so here's the deal. That double inside is just about to become a 2 up right here.
Okay.
And here we go. Right there is a 2 up. So we got a 2-1-1, 2 up. So 2 double inside bar to the upside, and it's breaking out of the pennant.
Help.
Okay,
Send
now
help.
once we break above pre-market high, which is 244.34, it'll hit 244.50 fast.
So you're saying I should add like 100 contracts right now?
You do what you got to do, baby girl.
I really wanted to break. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me actually draw. I'm going to redraw this bullish channel here. Okay.
Tesla's coming up trying to break yesterday's high day again. If we could break and hold 441 on Tesla, things could get interesting. Then we got 445 next. We'll see if we can do it though. A lot of top wicks. I don't know if we got the strength. It's getting a little too late for my liking. We're already at 11 o'clock. You start chopping up soon.
Then help. What do you mean chopping up soon? We've been chopping up.
Like bad chopping up.
We've been getting wrecked. Ugh. Like IWM guys, my average is now 25 on these, so I'm not gonna throw any more money at this. My average is now 25. On SPY, we are up. We took these at 58. They're now at 67, so you're at 15%. But again, I don't like the PA. I don't like how it's moving, so I'm not averaging into any of this. I did take the average in IWM because Justin got me all excited about a breakout, so I'm all for it. But she just can't. I need her to hold VWAP. Look at this crap.
Good. Oh.
No volume. Every time she's about to break out, she's like, no. No. What is it? What are they trading at now? 22? Justin, talk nicely to IWM again. Make her. She was going up when you were like, oh, she's going to do it. Everybody blow on your screens. 30 seconds left. I want to close above VWAP so bad. She's holding pre-market low, broke bearish channel, retested bearish channel, hold bullish channel, retested bullish channel. If she closes above VWAP, I really like the IWM trade. I just want volume into it too. Q's finally seeing a full down. Is SPY seeing that same flush? Yes. Sellers just took over on SPY there.
Falling out of a rising wedge right now.
On SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, NQ just dumped hard. Now it's retesting 24,804.
IWM closed. Did she close right? What's your VWAP at on IWM, guys?
She closed right at it for me.
Right at it. That's what I think. Okay. She just cannot close above that level.
It's back at my entry here. If we close below the 9, I'm just gonna cut it. I don't want to watch it all day.
Right? Yeah, especially if this PA's trash.
Just gonna take my 50, 60 and leave.
SPY seeing a little sell off. Let's see if she finds support where she's found it all morning. That's at 662.93 level. Apple still stair stepping down. IWM just doing nothing. A whole lot of nothing. Send help.
Yeah, I flickered 20% there for a second. My entry is 19 cents.
Wow.
So I'm at break even right now, but I really thought it was going to pop there.
I mean, technically it did. It did pop from your entry, but the volume just is not there. Like that would be where she would have broken out from normally. Same thing with SPY from earlier. It's like every time she's getting my confirmation for the breakout, it just goes right back to chop. So
Yep.
Chop, 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 chop. Cues.
The trash bag trading is enacted.
Wednesday trash bag trade. I'm gonna take off. I don't know. I'm not gonna take off Wednesdays. I've had some really good Wednesdays before. I'm just talking shit.
Well, I usually despise trading the SPY altogether. And then in our Discord, I watch during lunchtime 900,000 million scalps in like a 1 point range being called out in the chat. And I'm like, oh my goodness. It gives me like an aneurysm in my eyeball, but I don't say anything because I'm mean if I say something. So I just watch it.
Arsenic, cough, cough. Just arsenic.
Oh, no, 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 no. I can name 10 names off the top of my head.
Well, I
I
got
mean,
stopped there,
let's
so
be real here. I do make profits on those though.
Yes,
Just
but
saying.
you're a scalper,
Yeah, like I
and
scalp,
day
so
trading is different.
a lot of her commentary doesn't apply to me in those
Yes.
scenarios. It's like I'll take my 50% in like 2 seconds.
Smart.
But one good thing, like and I'm sure you feel the same way, Milky, is like the people that know you in the Discord or on X or whatever, they know like this is who you are. You
Mhm.
know, there's no like big veil. It's just like this is me. I really don't give a shit. Follow me, don't follow me.
Yeah,
People on Discord know you're straight up. You're not gonna, sugarcoat shit to keep a membership or you know what I mean? That kind of stuff. So
yeah,
I think that it's a good way to be as a female.
I agree. I mean, it's like I want to be soft, but this
Hmm.
world is not meant for
Yep.
soft. Like it's
Well,
just
it's
not.
money too.
Yeah.
Like in trading, particularly, I say this to them all the time. Do you want me to be soft and you're losing your money? Or do you want me to be hardcore and you might have your little feelings hurt a little bit, but it might save you money a couple months from now?
Yeah,
Like really, that's what it comes down to. This is about money.
absolutely.
So I don't know how to sugarcoat it, to be honest. I try very hard. No, I don't. I don't try.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take off.
See
I'll see you
ya.
back. I'll be back in like an hour or two.
Okay, bye.
See you.
I do not. I'm so upset that I'm in this trade right now. Like I really wish that I was just drinking coffee and making eggs rather than looking at this fucking chart for the last hour and a half. Like we hit our 115% in the first like 10 minutes of the market, and then we should have just been like, okay,
So
cool, bye.
it's only 8 o'clock for you too right now, right?
No, it's 10.
Oh, you're in Texas now. You're not in
Yeah,
Mexico? Okay, never
yeah.
mind.
No, I'm in Texas.
All right,
Well,
never mind. You're
Mexico,
Central Time
it's
with me.
Mexico, it's shit. In Cancun, I think it's 11 right now in Cancun. I think because they don't do daylight savings time. Maybe I don't know.
I'm so confused.
I'm gonna use the world clock on my phone.
We can get some
All
follow
I know
through
is
here.
like
I
I
might be
have I
interested
have
in
the
some
morning
puts.
shift because I'm Central Time, and then KT's West Coast. So like at night, you're not going to see me in that Discord unless I can't sleep or I'm buzzed. Because
I'm bored.
well, my husband wakes up at 3 in the morning, so I'm in
On
bed
purpose?
early AF. Yeah, for work. So it's crazy. And he was that big baby female today, this morning. Oh my goodness. I was praying he didn't stay home from work. He was annoying the shit out of me. My stomach hurts. No,
Oh.
I'm not that mean. But yeah, it's so I'm like retired by 5 p.m. my time, which is like 3 p.m. for KT.
Yep. Hey, if you guys are in the IWM trade with me again, I averaged in at a 25 average, and I didn't want to throw more money at it because I don't want to overexpose myself into a trade I don't like. So if you guys are continuing to average into this trade, like please do not overexpose yourself. The PA is not good. She's not moving how I want her to move. She might break out of this. She might break down out of this consolidation. So please, please, please do not overexpose yourself because I'm not in love with this trade at all. I actually hate this trade right now. This trade is really bothering me.
What? So hold on. I'm
What
catching up
happened?
with I'm catching up with the news here. New
What?
home sales
Good.
ripped face.
Yep.
They beat estimates by 150K for August, a week before rate cuts. That is insanity to me. Like
Mm-hmm.
what people in the US were like, I'm not going to wait 14 days to close on this house because I just hate money. Like a 0.5% or 25 basis points, 0.25%, that is massive over 30 years.
Yeah.
Like I'm kind of dumbfounded by that because I don't believe a lot of people like, oh, if we cut rates too quick, this, that, we're going to get an onslaught of property hit the market because people are kind of like interest poor right now, meaning they're not willing to sell, not willing to refinance because their rates are so great that they don't want to update houses if they have to refinance. To do it, they got all this liquidity, but it's like they're handcuffed because no one's going to refinance a sub 4% mortgage unless you're really strapped to push it up to 6%, 6.25 it is now. Like it makes zero comprehensive sense to me. So a lot of people think that once the rates come down in October and then maybe another 50 basis points total by the beginning of 2026, like we'll get an onslaught of houses hit the market, but we'll also get an onslaught of demand.
Right.
Because for every person saying, okay, I'm going to move now because rates are lower, there's going to be a person like, okay, I'm going to buy now because the rates are finally lower. I think it's stabilized. Like the whole like scenario of we're going to go back to house prices from 2018
That's never
or
gonna happen.
never.
Never.
Like maybe 5 to 10% it's backslide, but everybody that has bought a house prior to 2021 is sitting so damn pretty right now as
Yep.
far as liquidity in their house if they're not in like the ghetto or something. So that
Even in the
that
ghetto.
backslide won't happen. It just won't.
Even in the ghetto, their
Yeah, you're
property
right.
value is
In
up like
in
crazy.
freaking Gary, the houses are like 175K.
Oh,
It's crazy
geez.
in Gary.
Well,
Yeah.
that's where the investors buy to flip because the lower ones, I've heard, I'm not an investor or anything. Somebody's going to say, you're wrong, but you'll get something that's super cheap and then it'll go up
I
30K quick
Yep.
because the base is already low.
I've got a couple family members trying to get me to angel invest in properties in Gary because you could buy really nice brick homes for like 25, 30K that need to be gutted and
Hmm.
just make so much money. And a lot of times it's the government buying the houses on the other end and then turning them into all sorts of, government subsidized houses, whatever,
Right.
because they need to reinvigorate. Like Gary's half abandoned and they need to reinvigorate it. I'm like 30 miles from Gary and like they need to figure out something there. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Um, so I've had a couple people talk to me about angel investing. If any of you guys listening ever I have contacts in that. You don't do the work. It's just angel investing. They show all their bottom line shit, but I'm thinking about doing it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I've already got enough on my plate. So, but I want to refinance a couple things that I've been balancing. And I'm trying to wait till next year when the rates are lower. But it just doesn't make sense. Like, if my kid at 25 or anyone listening, like, just wait. That 1/4% or that 0.5%, if you wait those 3 to 6 months, you're going to save $50,000 more over the course of 30 years.
Right.
Crazy to me. So sorry, I'm just talking about nothing now because the
No,
market
you're good.
sucks.
Guys, I got stopped out of IWM and again, I don't know if you guys had you should have had your stop set because we took an average in and brought our average down, but these dropped to $11 to $10 a contract. So you're not hopefully you're not still holding these into the oblivion.
Your updates and your transparency in trading is probably one of the top 4 analysts I've ever experienced in my 5 years of being in these discords, Milky. Like,
Oh
honest
my
to
God,
God,
stop
you're
it.
so like just transparent with it. You can
Thank
tell
you.
like it's really important for you to just be upfront about every move you're making, and that means a lot
Well, I
to
mean, when you're playing breakouts like
yeah.
this, scenarios like this, you got to be really, really careful. And then, like I mean, we have a lot of new traders in
Yeah.
our room. We also have some big hitters. So, I can't have big hitters holding positions into this crazy, crazy, crazy drawdown. Like I had one guy, he's amazing, right? He plays with big money, and he's like, "Oh, I'm taking your trades, but I'm taking like 600-700 contracts." And I said, "Please don't do that."
It's terrifying.
I'm like you're playing, you know what I mean? You're playing 0 days. Like
Yeah.
you don't need to. I go, if you're playing weeklies, like you can throw money like that into weeklies, but if you're playing 0 days, you do not need to
Yeah.
throw the same amount of money in, especially in your initial scale in.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just like
No. So
it's
many
just
people try to avoid a trade that like they're kind of like red on. Like they'll disappear, not update the Discord, this, that, the other, hoping it works out, and then be like, oh yeah, by the way,
yeah.
but you should have
Well,
held down 78% first. Just ugh.
yeah, I got wrecked when I first started trading
Jeez.
because of that. I was following discords and they would take like let's say Meta and I was trading in a smaller account and I would take the Meta trade with them and it would go like 50-60% into the red and I'm like, "Well, they haven't said that they sold."
Yep.
And I was like, "Fuck, I can't hold this into the oblivion." So I'd sell it. and then it would rip, and like they have their levels that I don't know about, right? Because I'm not like knowing exactly what they're doing. And then they're like, "Oh, we're up 100%." I'm like, I lost a lot of money on that trade.
Yeah, but that's crap, Alex. I'm sorry. It's like you're either updating your position, or like Amy said, you're embarrassed about it, and you're like, "Hey guys, like what was the one we had the other day? The Upstart. We were like, it got down. We took profits on 80% of it. The last 20% is seriously down 60%. That happens. You know, we're not just like the chat isn't, and Milky's yours too. Isn't like, what are we doing with the Microsoft calls? We're
They
wrecked.
don't have to
No.
ask. They know exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And that's exactly it. Because what's the risk reward on that? Like a Discord that they kind of disappear, something goes down 60%, and then a couple hours later, like took profits 30%. So that means what's your risk reward on that? You would have to win like 90% of your trades to break even if you're allowing 60% down for 30% up. Like it doesn't even make mathematical sense.
Any market drawdown, you're like every position is down 40%.
Yeah.
And then the market pumps. You're playing the back to even game constantly. F that.
Yeah, it's crazy.
No thanks.
We know the best thing to do, and everyone else doesn't know the best thing to do.
Yeah, because we're so smart.
Oh, sometimes I'm dead ass wrong. I will admit, however, in the Discord, the members love when they're right and I'm wrong, and they can call me on it. So love it. They like.
I love it. I love it when I'm right and other pro traders are wrong. That's when I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah.
Yep. I love
That's
when
what
I
makes
put a
me funny.
swing out and then it rips, and I see everybody else on X entering the play when we're like selling half for like 50%. I'm like, yeah.
You're like, good entry. I mean, it happens. Sometimes you don't see it right away.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
Okay, what I'm seeing here on Spy Guys is a bullish channel rejection with a retest, pre-market low rejection with a retest, but a hold above a fair value gap. IWM, I'm seeing a pull all the way down to her opening range support. She did hold it at the end of that candle. If I can get a retest back into this fair value gap, so basically to this 243.70 level and then a rejection, I'll play the IWM puts, the 243s, probably down to that low of day. But I'm only going to do that if I get the retest rejection. If I don't get the retest, I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to watch this thing go the opposite way of my first trade. So it's okay.
All right. I am jumping off because I have to do that class at 1:00.
See ya.
Love y'all. Bye, guys.
Love you. Bye.
Yeah. Have a good one.
All right. Thanks,
Bye,
Emma.
come back. Thanks for watching the chop with us.
Right.
Well, the only thing not chopping is Hood. That thing just hit a new high day. It did have the S&P 500 inclusion yesterday. Was the official, or I'm sorry, the 22nd was the official date. It looks like they're just buying it up. It's like hitting 130 almost.
NQ did that break and retest of 24,804 and went right to previous day low. I'm in that trade from the reject, but trimmed quite a bit as it hit that previous day low. Would love to see it continue down. If it can close below previous day, I mean, send the check, but we'll see here.
Yeah.
Guys, hit up Holly if you're looking to get into futures. He made the switch from options trader to futures trader, and I know he does one-on-ones and other small groups, like 1 to 3 sessions with coworkers, and also people from the Discord that are just like the guy yesterday, C Money. He was like, that theta would have wrecked me, like with IWM. This theta, RTY, like there's no theta, you know. So stuff like that could be helpful if you're looking into that. Just hit up Holly, and I ask him future stuff all the time because he's the expert on that for me now. So.
Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Anytime.
Yeah, just to piggyback off
futures
that,
do follow the, NQ follows Q, ES follows SPY. So
yeah, I just want to piggyback on that. For me, like somebody who's traded SPX for like 21 to 22, 21 to 22, 23, I was like the SPX guy. And net, I was profitable. But as a trader, the obsession of what we do leads to a lot of journaling. And in journaling, if I took 60% of all my losses, just losses that I'm talking about, 60% of the losses I took in that time frame came from a trade that did not go to where the chart was invalidated at. Theta just completely working me out. Now, when I switched to futures and having just the simple ability to put a stop loss on the actual chart, literally allowed me just to allocate more capital. Win rate went way higher. I mean, just the ability just to throw trades on and off is just so much easier. And that's why I feel like futures are better for day trading. Options are better for swing trading.
100%. Yes, I don't swing anymore.
So you're saying I should switch to futures?
Do both. I think. I
You
mean,
can
I
do
love to do
both. I mean, you
both.
can't really
Honestly, I
get a
just don't know
futures
swing.
contract on Tesla or Apple or AMD, but if you trade in SPY, ES, or something like that, you might as well get on NQ or ES. You know, and it's a pathway. We all do to go through it. We all come to ES, but it's just a matter of time. When you type in ES, it's just a matter of time for you pushing Q. It's just gonna happen.
Yes.
Just embrace it.
Or what is it? RTY or RLTY, which is IWM's market.
I think it's just
RTY.
Yeah, I
RTY.
think it's RTY.
Yeah, if you type in RTY, yeah, on NQ on TradingView.
I'll have to practice with that one because I like sometimes we just get like a lot of the days she'll move really well. Like this one, honestly, had I just paid attention to my 6, 7, fucking 8 VWAP projections, we could have just made 100% on puts. But I was just so stuck on us potentially breaking out of that. That's what fucked me on IWM. Same thing with SPY. I mean, we saw a decent return, but not a big enough one. But RTY is probably moving pretty well right now to the downside, I would
Well, yeah,
assume.
you just did like 800% yesterday on puts, so
Yeah, I did.
you know you're human.
Hey, you know, if it any constitution for it, you know, I'm down. I'm just really, for me, like one thing about me as a trader, I've really learned how to be disciplined in the sense of if I'm getting clapped or if I know I'm going to get clapped, or if I don't like that market, time to turn it off. So I
Right.
got the trade, got me a couple handles. I'm 0 for 1, very small loss. I can make this loss back tomorrow in one trade. Why would I push it? You know. So
We-
yeah, discipline, and that's the difference between people who are going to win in this game versus not going to win. Is the ability to look long term. Just because we're day traders, don't mean we got to trade every day. You know what I mean?
Right. Absolutely. SPY finally hit pre-market or finally hit that low a day again for that potential double bottom there.
Yeah, NQ closed below.
Yeah, I squeezed 20% out there. Shit was fucking horrendous though.
Yeah, this has been.
Said if we got continuation, I'd be taking puts, but you and Amber were kind of
I
going at it a little bit.
Well, I was up 20 something percent on my calls, so I was kind of like maybe she'll go, and then once she rejected hold on, let me actually go back to the SPY chart really fast.
I just got stopped out of my runners right there.
Once she rejected that opening range, what was support, and then she rejected it, I was like, oh fuck. But we kept holding pre-market low, and then once we pulled through pre-market low, I'm like, all right, this is gonna get nasty. So it's okay. IWM with a nice big pop there off of that hold. Maybe she'll give us a rejection here. Give
Yeah,
me
big
an
support.
entry.
Previous day low on NQ here, but let's see. Still a lot of time on this candle, but big buy up right away.
Yeah.
And it's getting sold off, which is nice.
243.38 on IWM. You want to see dropped. 243.38. Okay. That's what I want to see. I want to see a close below 243.38. Then I will be a happy gal. But we'll see. Maybe she'll pull back to these levels.
SPY is kind of driven like a little bit of a falling wedge pattern though into this double bottom. So
Yeah.
it's not the cleanest, but definitely looks like it might be able to pop to the upside. We have to lose. I mean, if we lose this though, if we lose this pattern and it breaks bearish, it's hella bearish. So
Yeah. Let me see. Downside.
you can
If you
kind of
look at
draw it pretty cleanly on the 2-minute.
look at the 15-minute chart, the invert or the head and shoulders pattern on IWM.
Okay.
243. I have 243 as the neckline.
Uh-huh.
If it loses 243, 243, yeah, 243.20, it'll probably come down to Monday's low of day, which would be the 241 area.
I'll take it. Do it. He just doesn't have any volume today. It's like nobody wants to trade IWM today.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
J-House scared the markets yesterday, so everybody jumped out and they're like, nope, I'll just hold my money.
Well, every time he would say
Yeah, I
something
think that's what's
bad,
happening too.
he would say something bad, and then he would be like, "But it's not bad. But it's not bad." Like he would say something bad, and then he would like countercorrect it with something
He's
good.
so contradicted. His old ass needs to retire and go stroke his carrot or something.
Yeah.
Milky was like, say something bad.
I was like screaming at my screen. And then he would say something. I was like, "Ooh, that sounds bad." And then he would instantly say something good. I'm like, "Shut up."
Yeah, it didn't move till he stopped talking, and he didn't say anything new too. Like he just repackaged everything into different words. So annoying. And what's the point? What is the point of
This
those speeches?
price action is fucking horrendous, guys. In the next 10 minutes, I'm about to just call it a day. I'm not about to torture myself like this.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is gross.
We might have to cut this one soon. I'm thinking.
Well, I just came back late. We talking about people repackaging.
What?
Oh no, they were talking
Yeah, I
about
just got stopped out of my
they were talking
runners
about
there.
J-Pow earlier. Did you see?
Okay.
How on his speech yesterday, how he just was like, he would say something, but he just was, like changing the words around something he's already said.
And Powell's in an interesting position, man. I wouldn't want to be Powell.
Oh yeah.
You have to economically follow an order while you have a tyrant. I'm not talking about a tyrant, but like you got your boss telling you got to do the opposite, right? So he's in a position.
The thing too is like it's a committee, so it's not him solely making the decision. Everything's on he gets voted on, so he's just the one that delivers the main message and has to talk on it.
Listen, we can say everything gets voted on. True power comes from the ability for you to vote and you still to vote for what I want you to vote for, right? There's leverage.
It can sway them. Yeah, he definitely can sway
positions.
them. So yeah, that's who Trump wants.
But at the end of the day, right? It doesn't really matter.
Exactly. We can only trade based on how the market reacts, right? We can't predict it.
But like, can we all talk about one thing though, right? If you are invested in the SPY, man, these last 5 years have just been phenomenal. Wow, and like honestly, I don't even think anybody outperformed the SPY in the long-term game. Honestly, you don't even need an advisor. Just buy. If you buy SPY and IBIT, no financial advice. Those are the two ways. Wait for SPY to dip before you buy again. Remember these two things: SPY, IBIT. That's all you need.
Yeah, SPY's been a beast. It's built to go up. So I mean, why not buy it when it goes, on dips? Keep averaging in.
Yep, I've been averaging in since I was 18.
Oh yeah, facts. Exactly.
I've been averaging since I was 17 and 364 days.
Now we're gonna sound like one of those gurus. We wake up at 7 in the morning, at 5 in the morning, get everything done, invest in SPY. I done 20
What's
things.
that shit? If I would have bought Bitcoin when I was 5.
Yeah.
If I hadn't bought that pizza with my Bitcoin, I'd still be written. Okay.
I resurrected life while I was 3. What you done? And like what?
I cut my own umbilical cord.
Savage. Yeah, man.
Was it the Ashton Hall guy? We could all have those opening videos, the day in the life of videos.
Yeah, I'm not waking up at 4 in the morning. Water.
What's that water that got popular because he kept posting the videos about it?
Oh yeah, the
Saratoga. That's what it was. Yeah, I was like,
I saw it at the Costco Business Center in Ontario.
It was funny. People were posting like, they had cases ready. Like they knew they were gonna start selling it once those videos popped off.
I bought a case of that water just to take a bath with it.
Ice water Saratoga, man. That's the way to go.
Hey, it's all branding. Look at Liquid Death. It's just in a can.
Oh yeah,
just water.
Yeah, that story. I read a story about that guy. His marketing is incredible.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I can't drink anything that says Liquid Death. Just can't do it.
Yeah, I just drink.
I'm the guy that drinks Remy.
I just drink filtered water.
You want to feel like a badass drinking water? I'll drink out of the hose. I don't care.
I do that too, but I mean, our fridge has a filter, so it's like, might as well use it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for me. We're actually number, so let me just give me a second.
Got a little bit of word vomit there, huh?
JD's up 8% today. Microsoft is trying to get this ascending triangle over opening print.
Got this falling wedge on SPY. It looks like it's about to pop, but it's going right in the pre-market low. So I kind of wouldn't be surprised if we get like a pop drop, but then we're also double bottoming.
Yep.
It's
That's
a fucking it's 50-50 right here, honestly.
Tesla's pinned at that 440 spot. It's been having trouble with all week.
The weekly SPY looks like a gravestone doji, unfortunately.
We missed it.
Would love the SPY daily to get to the 90
man. We should have got the re-entry because again, it got choppy. When it gets choppy, it kind of just an F this day type vibe, right? And because I was an F this day, the 1 minute candle on 11/21 was your buy-in. Missed it, gone. Let it go. Don't even do it.
All right, guys. I think I'm probably gonna give it about a few, like 5 more minutes. If you guys are good, I might call it.
Yeah, I think
Same.
I'll probably stick around in my Discord for a little bit, but I'm not loving this.
Yeah.
And we just got clapped on our calls, so I'm like I gotta redeem myself.
So, yeah, plus we got about like a little more than 30 minutes till that EST lunch hour, and it gets even slower. So I think thank you guys for hopping on. We're gonna go ahead and call it, and then probably likely next Wednesday per the usual.
See ya. Bye guys.
Cool.
Sounds good.
See y'all.
Peace, guys.
Thank
Have
you
a good
everybody for
one.
hopping on.